Okay, so so I'm back. I decided I was going to do my edges on camera. Now it looks a little white because I still got product in it, and it's wet. So that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like when it's wet. So anyway, I got my edge control. Wait, hold on. Let me do this right. I got my edge control from my girl. Shout out to Yoko. Tell me what to get. Got my toothbrush because if you're doing it with anything else, you trash. Like, okay, so comb and scoop. Comb and scoop. Comb and scoop. I got my. So just comb and scoop, comb and scoop. Got the little finger to glide it. Random. Do y'all remember when people used to call these flags baby hairs? They'd be like, can you add some flags to it? Or I want like 3 flags. That's what they used to call edges. So like this is 1 flag. Then I could do like maybe 1 more flag. Why was it called flag? I don't know. That's just like them calling when you flat iron your hair, you call it beveling. Got my hair beveled. Just like they call wraps doobies. It depends. So this little piece, I just go back and forth, back and forth. Always do the top flag first. I'm growing my edges back, y'all. Like, this part used to be mad bald, like, from wearing mad ponytails back in the day. And not wrapping it, just leaving the ponytail in for a week or 2. But they look like they're going back really nice, so... I'm thinking about making a YouTube channel. I already had a YouTube channel back in high school, and that was before YouTube merged with fucking Gmail. So a bitch is locked out. Like, it won't take my old username. Don't know the password. I got a video out there doing bantu knots on oh, hold up. So this is when you get the big boy out, because this little part, this side always fucking with me. Oh, okay, you want to smooth out now? Stop playing with me. I think because this part's like too, I'm trying to do too much. What was I fucking talking about anyway? Oh yeah, so I did a video on bantu knots on relaxed hair. That's when I was transitioning. So I got a video of doing the bantu knots, showing the results, and talking about the style. And that video it's so old, so it got like, I think like 10,000 views. I don't know, my dumb ass didn't press the monetization button, so ain't nobody making no money off that, but. So that took 4 minutes. I don't know why, but oops. Baby, you're bugging. I don't know how my eyes is looking, like if they looking any which way, because I'm doing this right inside of and voila. So, and then what Shorty would do is Shorty would put a little hat thing on, wrap this thing up. Matter of fact, Where is it? Cause I would have just got up and walked away, but a little secret between me and you guys is I don't got no pants on. So wait a second. This is crazy. I can't find my scarf. I'll be right back.